We're about to go.
Yeah.
You gonna poop in a hole?
Yeah.
No, no.
Practicing. I've been.
Oh, what's happening? Camping!
We're camping! We're camping!
We're reading.
Look, Comic Book Nation. All of them are reading comics.
Yes.
Oh, except you. You got your book.
I do.
I wanna live a life like that. I wanna be just like a king. Take my picture by the pool, 'cause I'm the next big thing in Beverly Hills. That's where I want to be. Beverly Hills, Beverly Hills, rolling like the tsunami.
We're not supposed to run into traffic.
Just wave up before.
Just calling the meeting.
We're not supposed to run into traffic.
We're here.
Yep, we're here.
Right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
This is Kaio calling otters.
I'm gonna laugh if
Wouldn't you
another
die if an
animal comes
otter
up.
like leaped out of the lake?
And then a gator leaped up after it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That would be amazing.
I will weep in the tent tonight. You guys will hate me.
Deep sobs. Not even deep sobs.
Go straight to the camera.
Yeah, you gotta do stuff like this. You gotta be like, oh, yes. Look, see, look. Imagine, look, all your tests are like, anything that could have got squashed in there.
You guys are ridiculous.
Look, the bread.
Está muerto el pan.
I'll still eat it. Okay, so.
Gatorade.
How much water? My pillow.
Are we taking Gatorade right now?
What?
Am I gonna need this?
That's what I call Gatorade.
It's actually Gatorade.
Usually says E,
Huh?
but right now it
Actually
just says G.
Gatorade.
I know, but I call it Gatorade.
Oh, it fell.
What's up? With the smile, yes.
There they go. So we're semi-lost. We think we're going the right direction, but the guy said there'd be markers, and all the markers don't look right. Sarah's
The hair one.
Sarah's
It,
sleeping
yes,
bag.
it was that simple. Wow.
Sleeping bag came undone. So we're
And we passed the orange marks on the trees. Okay, like wide open. It's like big open spaces. And
No, look at my sweater.
no, not even the sweat. Look
nice.
at that.
the trooper. You're back.
Oh, is it sweaty? No.
Oh,
not
yeah.
the sweat, but
Oh,
the
yeah.
red marks from carrying the heavy bag.
What's your name?
Hey, I'm Andrew. How's it going?
He kinda. Oh, look at Sarah.
Sarah's out.
Sarah's dead.
I'm totally sitting up here.
Yep, it's perfect, right?
Can somebody just pour water on me?
Sure.
You recording?
I don't know. Is
Hi,
it?
look what we did.
Oh my gosh.
We did that.
Yeah.
You saw that? Yeah, we definitely did that.
Hi.
Go inside. Come. Let's.
I invite you
Welcome
to
to my house.
Welcome to my crib.
Don't go in with your shoes on. You
All
have
right,
to take
so
them
we
off.
got a sleeping
How
bag,
did the leaf get in there? No.
That was
And-
already there.
and
Take my shoes
I think there's a mythical mosquito living in here.
You never had what?
Baked beans.
Baked beans?
Step on them. Sorry. Killing me.
Miguel, the only one in jeans.
Look at that. Someone go frolic through it.
Swampery.
I've always wanted to fall.
I don't know. I still wish Lauren would have come and Bruce.
Yeah.
Oh, spider freaking
I
web.
went the wrong way.
More thorns? This one is prickly too.
freaking A. Is this all on camera?
Yeah, so far. We can do it, Kyle.
Ashley just ran through it.
She's clearly tougher than us. This has been proven.
Obviously.
Like, this is the 4th time it'll be proven on this trip that she's tougher than us.
I don't see the purpose of coming in here.
Kyle. Get over there. Is there...
There's Kyle standing right in front of this.
really cool, Kyle.
Cool. The spiders are. This spider is the most awesome animal we've seen.
Oh, sorry. See how it disappeared.
Have a tight grip on it.
Though some folks says that the devil's dead. Though some folks says that the devil's dead. I spent on devil at the head of my bed.
Somebody come over here.
You're gonna put your butt in the screen.
Sorry.
This is the shot we're gonna have of Miguel. Here's our food, cooking. Here's our people.
Oh, ow! That hurt really bad.
I hate that word.
Dang.
Oh, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do when it come for you that night?
I would like to stab
I have no idea what's going on with me right
This
now.
is us in the tent.
Do you have a camera?
It's only like 7 p.m. and not only are we super tired,
Wait, I'm still a little wired. So
not only are we pretty much tired, it's super dark and we don't know what else to do. We're probably just gonna talk for like 2 hours and fall asleep.
If even that.
You have girls, so it's probably gonna last a while.
Even that.
Oh my god! No.
no, Ashley's
Whoopi Goldberg or Rose Stone?
Oh gosh.
Whoopi Goldberg.
I'll go with Whoopi too.
I still don't even go with Whoopi.
I don't know.
Jason wants Rosie.
Oh, he's secretly loving Rosie.
Good morning. Ashley.
No, we need some of you.
No.
Put your hands down. It's not fair. Look at Miguel in the background.
There's a mosquito in here.
Miguel, what are you doing? Miguel's always like. Sarah.
I probably look like I just died.
I don't know how much camping this is. Because Sarah's doing makeup to music in the tent. Making pancakes.
Look at the camera. Really good at it.
Ashley. Where are we going? I don't know if we mentioned yesterday that Ashley did an impeccable job. She had this backpack on that I'm wearing with water here, and all the food pretty much.
I want to wear it. You said I could wear it.
Okay. This is our shortcut. Yeah. Why didn't we see this? Well, obviously we were lost before. We just skipped so much walking.
We skipped so much.
We would have had to walk all of that. Everyone, do your victory dance. Sarah, you're not dancing. Are we done?
Go home, see you later.
Live in my kingdom, I was finally there. To
Sit on my throne as the prince.
80s hooker?
Go near what?
Movie, it's like a giant alligator that's like insanely big.
Oh, it's one of
Lake Placid?
Lake Placid, yeah. We're eating lunch.
I'm gonna make a man
Tuna,
sandwich.
peanut butter, chicken salad.
Well, first you gotta get the. And then you gotta get the.
Good.
Bam, 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 bam. Just move it to where this one's at.
We're cooking our final meal. Or dinner, rather.
Actually, I'm speaking that. I'm speaking life into that.
Makeshift table to put hot things on. This is our chili animal trap. Last night we heard a bunch of crazy noises outside and we want to see what it is, so we left some food out, and it's probably not the smartest idea, but oh well. Someone explain me what's happening.
We are gonna go exploring in the night. The zombie apocalypse is on the other side.
The zombies will just crawl over that.
Okay, we just found this creepy... Okay, we're just walking on this path or whatever, and there's this crazy fence and this creepy tower with a seat on top of it on the other side of the fence.
In the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere. It's kind of scary.
Oh. What's happening?
There we go.
There's very feminine looking hands in this shadow.
It's the bracelets, I think. Look, the dog has a collar. His bracelet.
I don't know what to say. Wait.
What's happening in there?
Hey there. Hello. Do you like my antler?
No, he's gonna hurt me.
You're ticklish every other day.
Oh, my pillow.
Enough.
That's my pillow.
Enough.
That's my pillow.
Sit down.
That's my pillow.
Sit down. Say enough. Sit down. Woman, I will destroy you.
Whoa! Don't bring Cookie Girl over here now.
Launch.
I'm like, no.
Are you done?
No, it's like
I need antibacterial.
Are you done?
rub it all over.
Are you done?
My face hurts.
I think she's done. Oh,
I'm
come
done.
on.
I'm done.
Bam!
That's not how it's gonna work.
I'm done.
I just
Mosquito.
said.
Oh, we caught a mosquito.
Kill it. Oh! Kill the mosquito!
Get it!
Ashley!
Ashley!
You're the freaking
I
mosquito.
can't see.
Yes, of course. It said kill it, but she just moves it away into Kyle's area.
This is awkward.
Kyle's changing, and we're taking the tent apart.
Onions!
Valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the
There's no point. Very good, Miguel.
The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same. I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again.